In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a TikTok account by the username, even if you've forgotten the phone number and password. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the TikTok application, and it's going to ask you to log into your account. So what you need to do is click on the question mark in the top right hand side and select recover your account. Now we can just go and look up the username of our account. So I'm going to type that in here and press search. And this will take us over to the recovery page. So if you do have access to either the phone number or the email address registered to the account, then you can obviously click on one of these options here and go and recover it. Now, if you don't have access to these, then click on can't access these at the bottom and select request support. Now in the search box, you need to type in I can't access my email address or telephone number and then go and press send. Now, sometimes you may need to write a couple different messages in here just to get this option appear, which is share with us the details on what you need help with. We'll get back to you as soon as we can, and you'll have the option to submit a ticket. So you can see if I scroll up, I had to say a couple of different things here just to get this option to appear. And once you see this option, we can click on submit a ticket. Now just go and describe as much as you can about your TikTok account. So this could include things like your date of birth. It could include things like your old registered email address, basically anything that's going to prove to TikTok this is your account. If you have your personal name registered to your TikTok account, you could also upload an image of your identity, and this is another good way to prove to TikTok that it actually is your account. And you may also want to mention in this message a new email address where TikTok can contact you on. So you could say something along the lines of please contact me on my new email address, and then just go and type out your new email address, and then that way it's just a reference for TikTok to be able to contact you in the future. And once you finish this message, we can just go and press submit, and then you'll just need to wait a couple of days while the TikTok team goes and reviews this support ticket. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.